Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. You're welcome. I'm about to start this right now. Okay. The USD switch, it's on a strong bullish short-term trend. Okay. We got a strong bullish rally. Horizontal switch. Gotta make a coffee. Wow. Okay. So if you are just joining me, you are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. So today I'm gonna be walking you guys through some of the currency pairs I got on my watch list, as well I got a cryptocurrency market. So this is what I'm gonna be showing you guys today. Wow, so hot. So I want to quickly share this to some of the groups, those who are following me on my social media page. So I want to quickly share this so they can know we are live today for the live market analysis. So I'm just gonna share this. So let's share this. So they can join us. So let's get this. Get this under. So if you guys have a question, you can always put your question down in the comment box. So I'm gonna go through the questions, go through, give answers to the one I can. The reality is not all the questions I'm gonna have the time. Our time is limited, so just gonna work through some of the questions right here. So I got a lot of currency right here today. I got a crypto, I got a stocks, I got a currency markets, got a energy, meta. You guys as well can make a request on any of their markets you want us to analyze. so we can go through. Okay. So I'm sharing this. Some of the members who followed me on my social media pages. You are welcome. If today is your first time joining us on the FS Class Trading platform, this by YouTube, this is our YouTube channel. You are welcome. And then most important, do not forget to hit on the subscribe button as well. No, the notification bell is as well very important. So whenever I'm gonna be going live, you're gonna get a notification so you can join us so you don't miss any important updates. Okay. Got a lot right here. Guys, okay. So let's see some of the content I got right here. Phineas, you are welcome. You are welcome. And for those of you guys who have been asking, do I give no trading signals? I only run a community whereby I take personal decision with the members who are in their community. So I don't actually believe in trading signals. They can never help you grow to become a better trader. So I believe in you what to do, when to get in, when to get out, as well as I share my personal trading decision. So this is what I believe in. And then this is how you can actually learn to trade to become a good under better trader you have always wanted to be. Okay. So we're about to start right now. About to start. You're welcome. Have your seat. Have your hot coffee. I've got a coffee right here. Got your hot coffee right there. Okay. Let's get the stuff. Let's get started. Let's get started right now. So I got switch on my chart right here. I got a switch currency on my chart right here. I got a switch. I gave out the trading idea yesterday, my VIP members community. I gave out a trading setup. It's a trading idea. I don't call it trading signal. It's an idea, which means you as well have to run your analysis. You have to go through, analyze. If it conforms to your personal trading rules, then you can as well know execute such trade. So trading, actually the position is on currently in, if you haven't gotten out yet, because there was a sharp movement downward yesterday. There was a very sharp downward movement. Actually, price later returned back to our direction of anticipation. So I just want to give updates. If you are still right there, to trade, then I'm gonna give you update what are the next zone we gotta look up, well, maybe to get out, to take our profit, or maybe to tighten our stop loss or trailer profit. So this is what I'm gonna be showing you guys. You are welcome. So I got a switch right here. I got a lot of currency pairs right there. I got a likes of the crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. As well, I announced my position. No, that was last week. My position on Litecoin as well. Bitcoin is running bullish back trend right now. You can see that. In fact, bullish. Bitcoin offers another amazing, wonderful opportunity for those who missed the rally, who missed the rally, so they can actually get. So the next key resistance will Bitcoin is targeting right now is the last high, and that is a price level of the 41,379.88. So that is the next level that Bitcoin is trying to target right now. I got the Ethereum right here. I got Ethereum as well. Ethereum, same pattern with a Bitcoin. And then I got Litecoin as well. Same pattern on like the Bitcoin and Ethereum, but at the moment right now, seems Litecoin is finding it very difficult. I mean, Litecoin is having a difficult time to break through this key level structure right here. That is a minor key level structure which acts at the price level of 147.89. Is that 89? Actually, yeah. So it's finding it because that is a price level of the 150. So that's where Litecoin is finding difficult right now. So that is it. Oh my God, this thing is damn very, very hot. It's a ginger tea. Okay, so that is that on the Litecoin. So I actually executed a trade on Litecoin right from this level. If you want to know where I got into the Litecoin, I got them based on the 1 hour or entry. I took this bullish pin bar right here. I took the bullish pin bar right here. And this what actually is going on right now. If price can break this key level structure of the price level of the 150 based on Litecoin, then expect Litecoin to have a strong bullish upward rally to the next swings, which is going to act at the price level of the 160. If Litecoin can break this level right here, then Litecoin is probably targeting the highest high regarding the year 2021 state. The high right here, that is the price level of the 185. So that is the next key level resistance, that is the high. And the reason why I am actually investing more on the Litecoin is because of the pattern I can figure out based on the monthly and the weekly chart frame I got right there. So if you guys should navigate based on the higher time frame, you guys gonna figure out, based on the higher time frame, we got a neckline. Actually, I discussed this neckline with one of my friends yesterday, who is actually new to trading. He stated he didn't actually understand the neckline. The neckline was the neckline. So when I say neckline, this is what I mean. We got a double bottom. Actually, it's the pattern we got on the Litecoin. We got a high, we got a low, we got a low high, we got this, we got this. So price is currently trying to break through right here. So this is where I call the neckline. So this is where I call the neckline, the neckline. This is where I call the neckline. Neckline. So here's the neckline of the pattern we got on Ethereum. So if you are right here, you want to trade Ethereum, there's a pattern we got based on the weekly chart frame. So there's a pattern we got right here. So if you want to trade, so that is what I got. Technically, this is what we got right here. You can see right here, we got a structure right here, and price currently retesting right here. So that is what I got on the Litecoin. That's what we got. So if price can ensure a strong bullish rally above this level right here, then it does have a lot of potential to actually interest buyers that is on Litecoin to move price ahead to the next key level resistance, which would actually act at the price level of the 182.15. That is 192.15. So that is where price is currently going to target. So if you as well study the chart of Ethereum, so let's go through the chart of Ethereum. I keep on repeating this on and often. I keep on repeating this. Based on the Ethereum, this is actually the same pattern we got on Ethereum. And then on Litecoin right now, we got same structure on Litecoin. And this is why I am investing heavily on Litecoin, because I can figure out a lot of potential. There's high probability price gonna actually try to retest the highest high of this current, that is this crypto, which we got right here. That was 2018 we got right here. So This is why I'm investing heavily on Litecoin. So if price can actually get to this level right here from my entry, actually I accumulated more right here. So if price can get at this medium we got right here to this level, that means I'm targeting almost 250% plus appreciation in value based on my investment right here. So this is why I'm investing heavily on Litecoin. So okay, let's check on Ripple as well. Ripple, I've been finding it very, very difficult to actually move up as expected. There's a lot of factors affecting the price of Ripple right now in the market. A lot of factors, fundamental factors, going on. So Ripple is actually having a very, very tough time. Ripple is having a tough time to move the way it should. So resistance on the Ripple still goes at a price level. We got to update. Let's check this. I want to update this based on the weekly chart frame. I love to construct my key level structure based on the weekly chart frame, based on the very high volatile market like this. So I love to target right from the higher time frame. So the resistance structure still acts at a price level of the 0.3289. So I always emphasize on this key level structure right there. Price needs to ensure a strong bullish close above this level before the bulls can be able to target the next resistance, which acts at the price level of the 0.4745. So that is that on Ripple. So if you want to invest on Ripple, you are planning to invest in Ripple, this is how your chart should actually look like. So it's better to invest or maybe add to your position if price can ensure a strong bullish bar above this level. I mean a very strong bullish bar. Actually, I added to Litecoin as well, based on what I can figure out on the lower time frame today. That was my time. So let's check the 1 hour chart frame. I bought this dragonfly. I added to my position on Litecoin. So I bought this dragonfly due to the fact it was actually reacting at a potential very strong key level structure. So I bought this. So let's see how the trade goes. And then I got a dash. Let's check based on the daily chart frame. We got a dash right here. Here comes the dash. So the dash is still trading within the range of the 139/117. So this is the range dash is still currently trading within. So if you are an investor in the dash markets, this is the dash paired against the ULZ. I love to trade crypto paired against the ULZ. So market is currently fluctuating within this range. If price can ensure a strong bullish close on dash above this key level resistance of the 139, then it's a bullish signal. So that is what we got under dash. So I got Tron within the range. I got a Chainlink within the range. I got a XLM. A friend of mine invested in XLM and then it got a lot of return, nice return right from the breakout of the flash right there to this level, got 100% appreciation in value. So that is the power, that is the effectiveness of crypto market. It's a very volatile market. Within a short period of time, you can accumulate very large profit as well. You can accumulate very huge loss if you don't actually know what you are doing. That is in the crypto market. So this is why I always advise beginners in the crypto market to always trade this market based on ownership. Own the digital asset of this cryptocurrency instead of speculating, because it's highly very, very volatile. So I got a Zcash as well. The Zcash, it's on a very strong, aggressive bullish rally. Boom. We can see the strong bullish rally. So if you had actually invested in the Zcash right from the level structure right here, from the breakout zone right here, you should have gotten going to almost 30, that is 30+% that percentage appreciation in value. So that is nice. I love that. But I actually didn't know invested in Zcash. I didn't. I don't want to invest much of my resources on different crypto. Just want to target some the little I can target. So here's what we got on the Zcash. Can see the breakout of price, right? Yeah. That is it, right from the intersection structure right there. So I'm gonna just try to tag this trend line to reflect based on the daily chart frame. So let's check that on the daily chart frame. So let's figure out a point of intersection based on the daily chart frame. So here's a point of intersection, a rejection right there. So navigating on the lower chart frame, what can we figure out right here? If I am to take this trade, if I am to get in this trade right here, the best zone I'm going to get in as the retest of the bullish engulfing bar right here. Actually, I'm going to implement a 50% Fibonacci retracement strategy right here, right from the benchmark of the bullish engulfing bar right here, which means I'm going to get in at this level structure right here with a bullish bar right here. So the 50% Fibonacci level of the bar right here, if I would take a measurement, that would be almost 37% no appreciation in value on my investment. So that is nice. That is based on Zcash. That is on Zcash. I got a VeChain as well, the VeChain as well on a bullish rally. So we got a bullish structure as well right here for a more continuation rally based on the VeChain right from this level. We got a bullish and going back for a more bullish out rally. That is on the VeChain. That is on the VeChain, on the VET. Okay. So I got a EOXUSD. Choppy market right there. So let's navigate back right now on the stock market. On the stock market, so which stock is actually dominating right now, dominating the market. We got Apple not moving to my kind of no pattern. So Tesla always on a strong bullish aggressive rally, always strong bullish aggressive rally. You can see this breakout of the symmetrical triangle we got right here. It's a very strong breakout level we got right here. So from the level right here, if I should take the measurement objective based on the Tesla, 100%, almost 100% appreciation in value. Wow, that's wonderful. So if you actually get in this trade right at the price level of the 450, you're gonna actually have almost going to 100% no return on your investments right here. So I got Amazon. Amazon haven't been doing well. No, still we still got a market fluctuation within the range. So it's a kind of market within the range. So that was what we got. So I'm patiently monitoring the stocks of Amazon. So I want to see maybe price actually gonna break to the upside or maybe to the downside. So that is what I am looking out for in this market. So let's see the direction of breakout. Like got a Microsoft right here, a choppy market. I got our stocks of Facebook. Facebook is actually going on a downward trend, on a strong bearish node trend. Strong bearish node trend. That is what is going on right now on Facebook. So I got a news. I went through some news on Facebook and I discovered about the issue going on about privacy policy, sharing of privacy stuff about Facebook on the WhatsApp, and then most people are trying to shift right now to a new app, messaging app, just like of Facebook, that is Signal Messenger application. So right now there's a lot of stuff going on. That is on the stock of Facebook. Actually, before we got a bearish, that was a very negative news on the Facebook. Actually figure out head and shoulder based on this pattern right here. So if you should pay close attention to the pattern we got right here, if you should, let's zoom in and let's try and figure out what we got right here. This structure level right here. If you were to view this with an eagle eyes, you're actually gonna figure out, no, the pattern we got right here, it's a head and shoulder. Here's the head. We got a shoulder right here. We got a shoulder right here. We got a neck line right there. So this is what I always emphasize on about technical analysis. Technical analysis is the master of all, is the king. Is the king. At the end of the battle, technical analysis will always win. So before there is already news about the stocks of Facebook, about what is going on about Facebook and WhatsApp, no privacy policy sharing stuff. The pattern had already set up on Facebook. The pattern for a bearish move had already been set up. So technically, if you can view the chart and see what is going on the stocks of Facebook, you wouldn't have wanted to invest in this, to buy Facebook at this moment right now. So what I'm figuring right now is, if I should take the measurement objective for this pattern right here, taking the measurement objective right from the neckline to the edge structure right here, that is 10.12%. So 10 point. So we got to expect at least movement of price to the next swing low. That is the last high low swing we got on the Facebook. We got a high low structure right there. So there's high possibility price gonna retest this level structure right there before Facebook stocks is gonna be maybe got interest bias at this level right there due to the kind of measurement OBJ we got right here. That is a measurement objective for this structure. The neckline structure we got right here. The structure right here. So that is that on the stocks of Facebook. As well, I got a lot of stocks right there. I got a solar stocks, got the energy, electric, powered vehicle stocks companies. I got a lot of stuff. So let's quickly move to the metal market. That is the gold, the silver. I got a gold right here. The gold still on the bearish, short-term trend. So this is what we got on the gold right now. We still got this kind of formation of bearish move downward. So gold still moving downward. We can't yet figure out the technical buy price action bar right now. So I got a silver as well. The silver as well. Figure out on the silver. I think we got a minor key level structure. We got to construct right here. Okay. We got a structure. We got to come. So let's see how silver is going to react to the key levels, minor key level structure at the price level of the 25.65. So let's see how price is going to react to this level based on the silver. So I got an energy market. I got a US oil. US oil still on a strong bullish aggressive rally. Let's analyze based from the monthly chart frame. Right from the monthly chart frame, right from 2008, we got a very high, almost price target 140. We got that. We brought a breakout, very strong bearish breakout. So the US oil is currently struggling to break out of a multi-year bearish rally. Multi-year bearish rally. You can see based on the monthly chart frame. So if the US oil can successfully ensure a strong bullish close above this trend line this month, it could be maybe this month or maybe the month of February. So it's a positive signal, bullish signal for the price of US oil in the year 2021. So that is what we got on the US oil based on a long-term investment or plan on the US oil. Here's a weekly chart frame. You can see price currently approaching the dynamic resistance trend line. So let's see how it goes. Actually, this Still have a long way to go to the next week. And then let's check on the currency market. I got the likes of the British pound sterling paid against the USD, currently finding support as the resistance key level structure of the 1.34814. Based on the daily chart frame, price is still trading above this level. So on the British pound sterling against the USD, it's on a strong aggressive bullish rally. Strong bullish aggressive rally. We got it. The bullish rejection of price at the key level structure of the 1.34814. Okay, based on the weekly chart frame, we got this resistance structure. We got it right here. And then daily, we got a 4-hour chart frame. It's a nice buy on the British pound sterling against the USD, a very strong, nice buy pattern right there. I love this pattern right there. These are the kind of pattern or price action signal buy you should look out for at a very strong key level structure based on the higher time frame. This key level structure actually is reacting to the multi-year key level structure based from the monthly, weekly chart frame. So this is why we gotta figure out our strong, aggressive bullish rally. So for instance, if I'm gonna take this trade right here, got a trade right here, have my stop loss right here, 84 good pips, got right here. Wow, this is a nice 2x reward ratio trade. It's a nice trade. It's a nice, beautiful trade. So on the European against the USD, I am currently shorting the European against the USD. I sent out this trade in Nigeria to the VIP members community of FS Class. I sent out this signal. Actually, there was a bearish setup right here. We missed this setup, and then we took a retest of the key level structure. We took a retest. So we took the retest. We took the retest. This is what is going on right now. We are charting. Just gonna move right here. We are charting the swing high low right there. So if you didn't actually understand how we got this pattern right here, there's a high low swing we got right here. Price made a breakout, bearish breakout. Patience is necessary if you want to make money in this market. You got to learn how to exercise patience. Without patience, it's going to be very, very difficult for you to trade right here, make money right there, and then actually withdraw profit out of the market. We took the retest of this key level structure of the 1.22157. We got a bearish engulfing bar right there. We took the shorting position. We are staying on this trade right here. And then if I should take the measurement objective right from the entry zone, we are staying on 50 pips, risking from this level. We got a risk right from the level structure entry at this level, 50 pips. We are risking 28 pips. We are targeting to risk, that is 2 risk reward ratio. So that's what we did on the European against the USD. So if you're right here, you didn't actually understand how we got this trade. So we took a retest of the last swing high right there. So you can actually take your profit right now if you actually took my trading idea. If you implemented that into your trading decision, you can take your profit at this level right there and then wait. That is actually take profit target to 1 zone. This is where I implemented the take profit target to 1 zone. We got a take profit target 2 zone at this structure right here. We got so the next structure we got right here is here. I am gonna trail my profit. I'm gonna trail my profit. So you can take your profit if you feel like, and then wait for our price gonna actually react to this breakout right here. If you can figure out a retest right there, you can open another position for a more bearish downward rally. That is on the euro pair against USD. Wow. That is what we got on the euro pair against the USD. Got that. So I think I got a message right. Okay, that is a trade setup I want to share with you guys. If actually I share this with the VIP members of mine, that is a setup I can figure out based on the Australian dollar pair against the USD. Open your chart, study the formation pattern we got right there. This is an inverse head and shoulder at the high swing of a trend. So there's a lot of probability for this inverse head and shoulder to transform into a boom bullish breakout. So you got to pay close attention to the Australian pair against the USD. So I'm currently monitoring these currency pairs, monitoring it, viewing it. So I don't want to miss this wonderful opportunity I got right there. So I'm monitoring this. I want to see how the bulls are going to react to this level right here. We got a high swing. We got a low high right there. We got a low high right here. This was the neckline. We got a shoulder, right shoulder. We got a head. So I'm going to look out for a bullish breakout. So if I want to take this trade, for those who have been asking where is the best stop loss, I'm going to be convenient to have my stop loss based on the swings of the shoulder right here. Got my stop loss right here by the breakout. So that is my target on Australian dollar pair against the USD. That is my target. So you gotta monitor that, figure out how things are gonna go. Because see, we are on a strong, aggressive bullish rally. We are trying to go along with the direction of the trend, direction of the trend, direction of the trend, direction of the trend. Based on the monthly chart frame, we still got a resistance structure far away. We got a resistance right here. We got a resistance structure based on the 0.80764. So there is high possibility for price to get to this level before we can actually find our resistance for price. So it seems the trend is rather changing on the Australian dollar pair against the USD. Right from this rising channel breakout, we got a structure. I think this of inverse head and shoulder we got right there. So we got a formation, more bullish upward rally, rejection pin back. So pay close attention to Australian dollar pair against the USD. Monitor how price gonna react. I think I'm gonna pay close attention based on the 4-hour chart frame, figure out how price is gonna react. As well, I got the New Zealand pair against the USD. So actually, at the moment, I took a trade which I didn't share with the public. That is a trade based on the Australian dollar pair against the New Zealand. I am currently longing the Australian dollar against the New Zealand. And I'm going to show you guys how I found the trade. But right now, what I can figure out going on the chart of the Australian dollar paired against the USD and the New Zealand paired against the USD is on the Australian dollar paired against the USD, like we can see right here on the chart of the Australian dollar paired against the USD. If you monitor right here, we got an inverse head and shoulder. We got an inverse head and shoulder pattern right here. But we got the opposite. On the New Zealand paired against the USD, we got an upright head and shoulder. We got an upright head and shoulder. This is one of the factors, one of the reasons whereby I am currently buying the Australian dollar paid against the New Zealand. You can see. So Australian dollar, it's very, very strong right now. Very, very strong. And the New Zealand right now is a sell currency. So that is what is going on in the market right now. Actually, Australian dollar and the New Zealand currency have same market correlation, but at the moment right now, things they are going opposite direction. So I'm gonna show you what I figured out based on the Australian dollar paid against the New Zealand. So let's check that Australian dollar paid against the New Zealand. I got it right here. Here's the chart, but you're gonna figure out this pattern properly based on the weekly chart frame. So if I should view based on the weekly chart frame I got right here, we got a resistance structure right here. Price broke the resistance, and now let's check on the daily chart frame. On daily chart frame, you're gonna figure out the pattern we got. Based on the daily chart frame, which we got, I got a shoulder right here. So let's tag this as the L, the left shoulder, the right shoulder, and where is the neckline? I got a neckline right here. So price broke the neckline structure right here. I bought at this level structure right here. I actually this based on a long-term trading plan. It's based on a long-term trading plan. So I do not add. The reason why I didn't share this trading with my members is that it's on a long-term trading plan. It's a trade which can last for like weeks, even maybe 2 months. So not everyone have the patience to take this type of trade and then wait for like weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, or 8 weeks, 2 months. No, not everyone have the patience. And if you want to make money right there, you got to learn how to exercise. With patience, money is transferred from the impatient to the patient trader. That is how money is being transferred in this business, in this market. So if you are a patient trader, for you to make money right there, it's going to be very, very, very difficult. It's going to be very, very. So this is why you need to exercise patience. So this trade is, so I am buying the inverse head and shoulder on the Australian dollar paid against the New Zealand. So if I should get all these drawings we got right here and then try to construct, read the momentum right from the highest swings high right there downward to the structure right here. Cash this level structure right here. You can see the USD broke out of a multi-year resistance dynamic trend from this level here right there, not up to multi-year, sorry. I mean, right from the level structure right there, from August of 18th, 2020. That is the last high we got on the Australian dollar paid against the New Zealand. Price broke out with the formation of an inverse head and shoulder. So the next resistance structure we got a target. We got a target would be at a level structure right here. I have a course on how you can construct key level structures, how you can construct resistance support on the chart right from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame, how you can construct major key level structures and the minor key level structures. So if you're one of the traders who is looking for a course, an easy course, which is gonna guide you through, walk you through on how to become a professional, an expert on how to construct key level structure, then this course is gonna be very, very helpful for you. It's gonna be very, very helpful for you. So I gotta suggest this structure right here. So this is what we got on the Australian dollar paid against the New Zealand. So I'm marking my key level structure right here. I'm marking my key level structure. So these are the level structure I'm monitoring right here. So is this level right here? So let's check that based on the weekly chart frame. Based on the weekly chart frame, I'm trying to target this structure. This is nice based on the weekly chart frame, but based on the daily chart frame, it's not aligned properly. Actually, we should get it right here. And this is why I always emphasize on treat key level structure as an area of interest and not as a concrete level. Just as an area of what? Interest. So this is what I got on the Australian dollar paid against the New Zealand. I'm still on a profit right now. I got on my stop loss, no, inside this, below the dynamic no structure right here. So let's check other market I got as well. I got no, okay, I got the New Zealand paired against the Canadian dollar. Right now, the Canadian dollar is very, very strong. The price of the crude oil is high going up right now. There's a correlation between the Canadian currency and the crude oil. So whenever the crude oil is on a boom, aggressive bullish rally, Canada currency tends to follow the direction. Just like when gold is strong, there's going to be weakness in US dollar. And when there is a strong rally on the US dollar, there's going to be no weakness on the gold. Silver follow the direction of gold. So the Canadian economy follow the pattern movement of crude oil, because crude oil is one of the major source of their revenue. So anything that happens that affect the oil market is gonna have high effect on the Canadian economy. So it's a buy on the US economy. So you should gotta be looking out for buy as well on the Canadian dollar. So currently at the moment, I got a trader in our VIP community who is shorting the USD paid against the Canadian dollar, shorting it. Yeah, shorting it. You can see the USD has been on this bearish rally against the Canadian economy. So it's a nice, beautiful time for the Canadian economy right now. So it's a boom economy right there. So I think we got some fundamental factors coming up today in the market. So let's check that from my end right there. We got some fundamental factors today. Okay. We got a Fed sharp speaks. We got a core retail sales, the USD that's on Friday. We got a retail sales on Friday. So on Friday, you guys got to pay close attention if you want to trade the US currency pairs. There's a high impact news coming on the market. That is the core retail sales month by month, and the retail sales, that is we got a forecast right there. So you can check all those fundamental factors on the Forex Factory. Check those out. Make sure you always put into consideration fundamental factors which can affect the market. So that is what we got on the Canadian currency pairs. Let's check the Canadian pair against the Japanese yen. So another pattern I want to share with you guys is the Canadian dollar paired against the yen. So I am as well paying a close attention to this market right here, because I can figure out there's a lot of prospects right here. Prospects right here. Price was fluctuating, still fluctuating in a bearish channel. You can see the movement of wave. So is price gonna break out of the key level structure of the 81.863? That's the question right now. That is the question. Is price gonna break out? So that is the question right now. So let's quickly analyze this market. Based on the weekly chart frame, we got a multiple rejections of price at the level structure we got right here. We got a multiple rejection of price. Here comes a frequent constant retest once again. I tag this as clustering of price. Clustering of price to a certain key level structure does signifies a potential breakout is approaching. There's an imminent breakout approaching. So right here, if I should take a measurement from this level structure, I think I gotta take some of the tools, measurement tools right here. Measurement tools right here. Okay, let's share some of the tools right here. Okay, I'm gonna add this. So if I take measurement tools from this level structure, from the level right here, we got a 15 bars. That is 505 days. And then from the level structure we got right here, we got not 91 days. That is a reduction in the retext swings. So at the level structure right here again, to the level, I got same 91 days. So it took same period of time, same time interval for price to retest the level structure, level right here, to level right here, level right here, level right here. You can see we got a 105 days, 15 bars, weekly chart, 13 bars, weekly chart, 13 bars, weekly chart, same period it took for time to retest this key level structure. And then again, right from this level, let's take the analysis right from the level structure right here. We got 4 bars, that is 28 days. So this is a signal of an imminent breakout. In fact, a possible breakout on the chart of the Canadian dollar paired against the Japanese yen. So that's what is going on right now. So, and then again, let's analyze based on the series of lows. We got a lower low structure right here. We got a high low structure right there. And then a combination of this level right here, we got a rectangular box. So price is trying to break out of this rectangular box for upward bullish rally. So that is what we got on the Canadian dollar paired against the Japanese yen. So if you want to trade the Canadian dollar paired against the Japanese yen, you got to look out for a long-term bullish rally on these currency pairs. And the next resistance structure would actually come in at the price level of the 84.406. So that is what we got on the Canadian dollar paired against the Japanese yen. That's what we got right here. That's what we got right here. So navigating based on the lower time frame, that's a 4-hour chart frame, one of my favorite time frame. You can see we got a breakout right here. So if you're taking this breakout, the best way to have your stop loss should be at the last swing low right here. So we can see right from here, we got a base, we got a rising of low, we got a rising of low. So if you got a stop loss right here, you're gonna buy right here for more upward bullish rally. So that is gonna be on swing trading strategy, swing trading strategy. So that's what we got on the Canadian dollar paired against the Japanese yen. So guys, that is a lot of markets, a lot of currency pairs. Okay, let's quickly check on the switch paired against the Japanese yen. Switch paired against the Japanese yen is currently breaking out, but based on the daily chart frame, it's a kind of very choppy market. So I don't like to take a choppy market. It's very, very difficult to make money. No, I love a trending market. So if you are the kind of trader who trade a very range market, get very careful if you not trade a switch paired against the Japanese yen. But on the lower time frame, we got a rising channel, price breaking out. This is very choppy market for me, so I don't like to trade this kind of market. So I got a New Zealand pair against the Japanese yen, still on the bullish upward rally. If the Australian dollar is on a bullish rally, and the New Zealand is downward, and the New Zealand is rising against the yen at the moment, it means at the moment right now, yen is weak. Wow, I got a hot ginger coffee. So here comes the swing high low, continuation of the bullish rally, high low for more bullish upward rally. That is on the New Zealand paired against the Japanese yen. So that is what we got. Let's check as well the Australian dollar paired against the yen. Australian dollar on a strong bullish rally. The euro paired against the yen. The euro is weak right now as well. I want you guys as well to check your chart. You should have this pattern in the chart. It's symmetrical. formation and the rising flag. So technically, I'm paying a close attention to see how price is going to react. Maybe price is going to break downward. Based on the monthly chart frame of this currency pairs, we got price approaching a key level structure of the 127.117 and the dynamic resistance trend line, which had been effective right from July of 2008. So this was almost 13 years, 12 years ago. So it's a very strong multi-year decade, dynamic resistance trend line we got to pay close attention to. So there's high probability the euro yen is going to find a pullback of price in order maybe to reinforce. So taking the measurement objective of this rising flag from the last swing high right here, that is 279 pips, 279 pips. If price can break out right here, 279 pips. So there's high tendency for price to get to this level once again before price have a pullback of price. So that is that. On the euro paired against the Japanese yen, I got a British pound sterling against the yen as well. I'm currently monitoring what's going to go occur right on this currency pair. So these are the market I want to share with you guys. These are the market I want to share with you guys. So any trade you want to execute, make sure you implement a healthy risk reward ratio system. Don't risk much. And make sure you follow the trend, trade impulsive wave, going against the trend, going counter trend, corrective wave doesn't mean you won't make money, but if you are a beginner in the market, trade according to the direction of the flow of the trend. So this is what I want to share with you guys. Thank you for joining me. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure please click on the subscribe button as well, hit on the notification bell as well. I have a lot of content for you under this video. I got a lot of links right here. If you are looking out to register on a honest, transparent brokerage company, trustworthy brokerage company, there's a link under this video. Check that link, register, and start trading on a reliable brokerage firm. And then if you are looking out to invest in the US stock market, maybe you are not in the US, maybe you are in the tropic of Africa, maybe you are in West of Africa, Southeast, Central, North, or maybe any part of the world you want to invest in the US stock market, I got a link right there as well under this video. Check on that link, register today, and then start investing in the US stock market in the comfort of your home without leaving your location. So this what I want to share with you as well. I got a crypto trading link right there if you want to trade crypto on a reliable, legitimate, trusted, honest crypto trading platform. There's a link as well under there. Check, register, start trading today. So guys, thank you for joining me today. Thank you so much. Love you all. Have a wonderful day.